We are going to unbox the Redmi 6 Pro today. This is an entry-level device from Xiaomi. Well, they have got devices less expensive than this device, but still it retails for around 10,999 Indian rupees. This device is powered by a Snapdragon 600 series processor. The unit we have is matte black in color. It has got a metallic back and dual rear cameras. One is a 12 megapixel and the other is a 5 megapixel unit. This device comes with a micro USB slot and thus misses on the USB Type-C. The front of the device is dominated by a 5.84 inches display. We'll keep this documentation on the side and look at what else is there in the box. Seems like we have got a clear case. We have got a USB to micro USB cable as well as a charger. So a little more details about the charger. Sorry for that, we'll just show you the charger, straight. So yeah, there you go, a little more details about the charger. Let's keep that aside. So here we have got the case. So just a normal silicone case. So good for Xiaomi to bundle it inside the box. Fits the device properly since it's from the manufacturer, so no issues there. So let's just boot up the device for the first time. This is a 64 GB unit. This has got normal software camera enhancements like the AI portrait mode, and we have also got AI face unlock and the fingerprint sensor inside this device. Not one of those under the screen fingerprint sensors like you get on the newer OnePlus 6T. So here you go, you can see the amount of storage we have available. So from the first impressions of the video, this looks like a smooth, fluid experience like as you get from Xiaomi. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, subscribe and comment on the video, and do subscribe to us to catch the next video as soon as it is posted. Thank you.